This demonstration we're going to have a look at how we can manage multiple recipients. So what we have here, we've got two users, we've got Jessica and Megan. They both have Active Directory user accounts, but they currently don't have an Exchange mailbox. So what I'm going to do here through the PowerShell is I'm going to enable these users for a mailbox on my Exchange server. So quickly onto my Exchange PowerShell. I'm just going to do a quick query, and as we can see, these two users are a member of company Fourth Coffee, and what I want to do is just enable them with a mailbox on my Exchange server. Next thing to do then is type in the query that will allow me to do that. So into PowerShell. So as we can see, I've typed in the get-user, the filter for the Fourth Coffee users, and what we're going to do here is enable the mailbox on database mailbox 1. We've now run that command, and as we can see here, we've got Megan and Jessica have their aliases within Exchange. You can see the server they're on, and they have unlimited quotas at this point here. So that allowed me very quickly to just use the PowerShell just to modify two users. Now that could have been a couple of hundred users, a couple of thousand users, really everything would have been the same. Next thing we'll have a look at here, we'll just have a look at using scripts to create user accounts. So in the case of this company here, what we're doing is we're working in education. So one of the things that we do is very regularly we get apprentices coming in the company and leaving the company. This would be a very quick way for us to take a CSV file and then use that CSV file to allow us to import users very quickly into Exchange. So one of the things we've done here is just written a little CSV file. So we just have a look at this now. I'll just open this up. So as we can see, we've got first name, last name, password, and organizational unit. So we're going to create 4 user accounts here. What I'm also going to do as well is just create an additional one. So we'll just have Bart user. Weird second name, but that's the one he's got. And his password will also be password. And what we'll do here is we'll stick him, in the case of his organizational unit, we'll just put him into users. So we're going to use these to actually create our list of user accounts. So I'll just save this off. Next thing I'll do down here as well is I'll just go to the actual PowerShell script itself. So again, we'll just use Notepad. And then within Notepad, we're interested in opening up d:\lab files. And then backslash, the name of the script that we use here is demousers.ps1. And we'll just open that up as well. So we've got our little script in place here. So just working down the script, so we've got section 1 here. We've got define the database for new mailboxes. So we've got our variable. We're going to create them all on mailbox database 1. We're going to specify the user principal name for all of the users as @adatum.com. We're then going to import the CSV file that we've specified. Working down here, as we work down here, we can then see that we're just going to run this continuously to create our users. We're going to create the new mailboxes and users. So we're going to take $SP, and $SP will then be secure password. $UPN will take the variable $UPN and replace. We've then got first name, last name, and what we're going to do is build the user accounts based off this little script that we're going to run. So what we'll do here, just close this down. We'll just close down our demo users. The next thing to do will be come into our management shell, and then from within the management shell, we're just going to run our d:\lab files demo users PowerShell script. So into our programs, into our management shell. Once this connects through, type in the command just to run the script. So what we've done here, we've typed in d:\lab files demo users.ps1, and we're also going to use the demo users.csv file. Hit return. As you can see, it's now created our users. So just to verify that it's done that, we'll just come into our management console. And within our management console, what we'll do, just have a look at recipient configuration and just click on display name on our little drop down here. Having a look down here, we can see our various users in place. And if we have a look at Active Directory users and computers, and then just have a look through here. Under users, we can see Bart, so Bart being one of the users we created. That's the end of the demonstration, looking at bulk management of Exchange organization.